Here's Sassy. Here's Ragana's first ball. Oh, it's a tie! And for last ball, who's gonna win? And Rocky wins! And she found it! Ramos for... There you go. The show has officially started. Ramos for Jacob. So, here's Ragana's first ring. Followed only by Sassy. Oh, it was happening! Sassy picked up the 3 rings at the same time! How clever is that?
Daya.
South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the Hyacinth moss. They can grow up to 92 centimeter length. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Okay. After the second number, Rocky. Well, Rocky loves numbers. And I think he knows the answer. And he gets the number 7. So, 27 plus 10 is equals to 37. Put just in hybrid McCall. Just has an innate moving abilities. Meaning, they will generally return to its...
Those 2 times